Good day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Jamaican Insider. Still in St. Elizabeth, and right now I'm in middle quarters. We're just gonna take a look around and see what this gentleman is cooking. After which, well, you just have to wait and see, huh?
Pepper.
Oh, pepper island.
Yeah, blend the pepper.
Yeah. Yes, viewers and subscribers, he's actually making peppered shrimp. Let's see how. And time it. 15 to 20 minutes after.
20 minutes, it's ready. So this is ready to eat now.
Okay. Yeah, man, that's
Ready to eat now. Quarters, Main Street, Billy's, Grassy Park.
good. Alright, Billy's. Yeah, man, see Santa. And he also has fritters.
Fritters ready, you have rice and chicken, you have curry goat.
Now, what's them now?
Yeah, this is peanut porridge over here.
Oh gosh, me I want some of that.
Yeah, and this is stew chicken ready.
Stew chicken.
Yeah, rice
Woo,
and peas.
woo, woo.
Also. And you have Ackee and Saltfish, the national dish over here. I'll go with curry chicken.
Curry chicken.
Yeah, you have dumpling, yam and banana.
Mm-mm.
Are you ready?
So you're ready from 6 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah.
Wow, early bird. Yes, my people, right here at middle quarters. And of course, we're maintaining social distance same time. Now, safety first. Right at Billy's Grassy Park in middle quarter.
This is peanut porridge. Yeah.
What leaf is that?
Cinnamon leaf. Cinnamon leaf.
Okay.
Cinnamon leaf.
Go off it fritters, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, nice and big. So after consuming this hearty breakfast, one has to take a walk. Yeah, man, let me take a walk and see what's going on. Middle quarters. So these are the branches of palm trees that are being dried. They will then be used in the making of roofs at hotels. You know, when you're at the hotel and you may go to a bar and notice that the roof is made from dried palm leaves or branches. This is where they are from. At least this is one location that prepares them. So as you can see, there are much more on offer here in Middle Quarters, not just peppered shrimp. Time for a drive. Let's see what Middle Quarters looks like. And that's it for today's video. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed it, please leave us a like. Let us know in the comment section if you have any questions, and let us know if you or what you liked about this video. Please share with a friend or two, and please, as always, do subscribe and click the notification bell so you will know when another video is uploaded. Thank you again. Take care.